Hello everyone, myself Vedant, and today is December 11. So let's start with today's crypto analysis. Firstly, if we see Bitcoin on the daily time frame, it's it just closed a kind of reversing bearish candle on yesterday, and also it's taking up kind of a rejection from this area of 94,000 around, and also it's a supply zone for us. We have marked earlier, and price is not able to just sustain above this area, so it's showing kind of a weakness and buying or price making just having trouble to just this hold up it itself above this level. So also it's also visible that it selling is also getting weaker, as this was a very huge fall. After that, this was less than this one was less than previous one. Again, it went down, but it was less than the previous one again. So no bias for now, as it's just shrinking its price and making up a range of like this. It's forming a kind of a triangle pattern, and it's just few time left for a good breakout. So let's see if it continues downside or just goes upside. So this is it for now. The price is at a good trend line support for now on 4 hour. So seeing on the 1 hour time frame, as we got up with few targets on buying, as well as the price was getting good bullish momentum. We planned some quick buying trades, and it went really well. And this was last FMC, which was really risky, but a very less quantity was planned here, and we got us with a target. And from the exact target level, it just reversed back very quick and got showed a good huge fall. And again, I'm planning a trade right here from this supply demand level. So buying could be seen again in this level, at this level, and we would be planning a buying trade right above this level of somewhat 90,500, and placing our stop loss right below and aiming for the previous this selling zone for us, as it formed kind of a double top pattern, the uh, but the fall came real quick, so it might be possible that it would just retrace back again till this level and again give a continuation to fall, or whatever, if it wants to go up and give a good breakout. So that's the view for Bitcoin today. And coming on to Ethereum on the daily time frame, if you see, it just uh, tried to go up, but got a good rejection from the upside. And okay, so it closed kind of a doji or reversing candle, or really weak buying. So there's nothing much of that, what we say, selling or reversal condition on the daily time frame. If you see on the 4 hour, it's just converting itself to higher high pattern, so it's bullish on the 4 hour as well. And if we see, it just tried to break this important key zone, and um, tried to sustain above it, but it after the FMC yesterday, it just went down real quick and mm, uh, just it might be a uh, breakout and retest pattern as well. But if it continue downside from this and crosses this previous swing, it might be possible that it would be a fake breakout and just price could continue downside further. But till then, we could plan up a trade right there if the price taps our level of 30 3,215 somewhat, and we could plan up a trade with a stop loss right below uh, the candle low. And if it just crosses this below level, this trade would be invalid and we won't be planning a new trade. So yes, that's the view for Ethereum as well. So let's see if it gives up upside momentum or a downside. So coming on to XRP on the daily time frame closed a very bearish candle and mm, okay, so it's not looking very well on the daily time frame. What's happening? Okay, coming on to 4 hour time frame. It's just this is the supply zone and okay. So XRP is just consolidating right now in this zone as it's not able to break its previous highs, but also not able to create new lows as well. So it's just consolidating right now. Also, it's bearish till it breaks its previous high. So it's consolidating in a bearish trend. So it might be possible it might continue downside. So we won't be taking any buying trade for XRP for now. And this is the selling zone we have marked with in XRP. If the price taps this level again, we could look for some potential sell. So that's it for XRP. That's the only view. And coming on to BNB on the daily time frame, it's also okay, close a kind of a indecisive candle, a doji one, and uh, coming on to 4 hour, also 4 hour, just it's somewhat on the this supply zone, and it tried to break this level but failed to sustain, and again crossed this level but formed a kind of a double top pattern and just reversed itself well. And okay, so it's that right now on the 4 hour BNB formed a double bottom pattern as well, and now it's forming a double top pattern as the price is in a bearish trend. So the double top pattern should be more significant than the double bottom pattern. So uh, a good this move came after the formation of double top pattern, and this this pattern was formed right after the FMC meeting yesterday, and also it's failing to sustain above its previous swing. So it shows the bearishness might continue in the BNB, and accordingly we could plan our trades. So so this could be the potential selling area for us for now. We could look for selling from this level and BNB if the price taps this level and again continues downside. No more possible levels could be seen in BNB, and we would only be looking for sells this time. And coming on to Solana on the daily time frame, it's just Also closed a kind of a reversal or reversing bearish candle, and seeing 4 hour time frame, 4 hour, it's just it's an taking rejection from its supply area very well and sustaining below also. So it shows it's clearly visible that it's in a this consolidation phase for now. And just a second. Yes, it's in a consolidation phase right now, and we would be waiting for the price to break either low or a pre high to get up some confirmations or get a continuation of a trend so that we could get some good trades out of it. So for now, it's just that this is a potential it's a potential double bottom pattern, and this is the double top pattern formation which took place. And also supply zone is really crucial level for the price, and it's following it very well, and it's just getting down from that same level every single time. So it's really relevant for the price to break it or just continue its trend from that same level, and it's completely doing that right for now. And no possible levels could be seen other than this major supply zone, as the price is just consolidating right now, and price is just taking the rejection from this major levels only. So there's no way we could look for any other levels. Coming lastly to the Dogecoin, and Dogecoin also is clearly in a consolidative phase right now, and it just closed a good reversal bearish candle on the daily time frame. Coming on to 4 hour, 4 hour also it's completely visible. It's just consolidation going on right now, and the consolidation is also shrinking day by day, as this was the move which came really well. Afterwards, it shrink from the previous one comparingly. Also, after this move, this was all shrinked further, and right now it's equally seen. So let's see till when it consolidates at this level. So we have already marked with supply zone and this double bottom pattern, which already made a triple bottom. So likely, if it wants, it might cross this level this time and get us with new lows, or just take another support from this level of and just potentially consolidate further. And for us, it's just in a consolidation phase. Also, it's in a downtrend, so we won't be potentially buying it till we get some good confirmations for the market structure shift. Also, if you see on the 1 hour time frame, it made a double top pattern right there, and good selling came out of it. And we haven't planned this trade as because I already said yesterday this was a very quick move which came in the markets, and just right after it we can't take a reversal trade which could be possibly very much riskier than a normal trade. So we just avoided taking these useless risk or just more risky trades. I hope you like the analysis. That's it for today. Stay tuned for further upcoming analysis. Thank you so much.